how to reset or restore your iPhone camera to its default settings. If your camera is acting up, or you've changed a lot of settings and want to go back to square one, this guide is for you. Start by unlocking your iPhone and going to the Settings app. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Camera. Here, you'll see a list of various camera settings that control how your iPhone captures photos and videos. Remember, the camera app itself does not have a single reset button, but you can manually reset or restore the important settings, which we'll show you how to do. You can now check and reset the following: Preserve settings, and by doing so, tap on Preserve settings. If any options like camera mode, creative controls, or live photo are turned on, they preserve the last used settings. To restore default behavior, turn them off. This way, your camera will start fresh every time you open it. Formats. Go back and tap Formats. Then, choose High Efficiency if you want default Apple format, or most compatible for standard JPEG H.264. Select whichever one you prefer to return to default behavior. Then from here, set them to default values. You can also reset all settings. And by doing so, simply go back to the main settings menu. Once there, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. When done, tap Reset. A confirmation note will appear. Tap Reset All, reselect Reset. This will reset all system settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, home screen layout, and more, but it will not delete your data. Remember, use this option only if you want a full system settings reset. Well, that's it. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.